Hello?
Are you listening? Damn.
I'm gonna do a dorm room haul video because I've gotten some epic items that I just want to show you guys. OCM, if you want to go hit them up. I'll put a link in the description. I love this water bottle, by the way, because you know it has this little thingy. I hate when I have to like go like this and walk around, but like this, it's just like so easy, you know. You can just dangle it if you want to get one. Link is in the description. Some dollars off. I don't know what I'm saying. I lost my mind. Sorry. I apologize for my voice. I know I sound like a man a little bit. I'm just like congested in my head. Can't stop doing accents and clapping my hands. I'm Casey, if you guys don't know. I go to Boston University. I'm going to be a senior, which is crazy because I feel like I'm like 12 years old. College flew by really fast. I don't want to leave. I need to like sit up better. Oh, I'm in my guest room in the house. There's this weird lady just vibing up there. Today is gonna be a dorm room haul because I did a move-in video last year and you guys really liked it. It got so many views, which is insane, and people still comment on it. I don't even know how I got so lucky. People seem to like my mom. This year I'm going to be living in the same building that I lived in the past 2 years. This will be my 3rd year there. Student Village 2, also known as Stuvie 2 at Boston University. It's like the really tall glass sky rises. We have a kitchen, 1 bathroom, 4 single rooms, and a common room. Pretty epic. So yeah, I thought I'd just give you guys a haul. Don't know why I'm rambling so much. I'm gonna take this off because I feel like people always attack girls that wear those hats. But I feel like it's fitting. It's just like boring. I need the hat on maybe. I guess we can start with OCM because that's like the newest things and the most exciting. Okay. So I got this box. It's very big. Don't want to block the camera. In my room this year, I'm trying to do like I could put in some pictures on Pinterest that I found. I'm trying to do like a white and green vibe, as you can see in these images. Future Casey, please edit these in. I'm trying to do like a neutral theme, like mainly whites. So first from OCM, I got this. I guess I should take it out of the packaging. I got this little ball. It's like a pillow, but it looks like a knot, and it's so fun. Wow, it's soft. I can wear it as a, what's the word? As a bracelet, you know. It's pretty stylish. I got these sheets from OCM, which are like, I don't know if you can tell, they're like tie-dye. They kind of remind me of like a cloud. So I thought they were really cute. And then I also got this throw. I don't really want to take it out of the packaging because I have to bring it to school, but if you can see, it's like little balls, kind of, not balls, but like grayish, whitish detailing, and then they have little tiny sequins like randomly in it. I don't know why I'm wearing this. I'm gonna take it off. I also got this little thing. I'm either gonna use it in my room or in the common room. It's just like little wood pieces that hold, you know, pictures, and they do come with pictures, but I kind of want to put my own in, so I thought that was cute. And then I got this white decorative accent rug. It's just like a white fluffy rug that I'm gonna put on my floor because the person that designed our dorm, they picked like orange and brown, and I mean I guess it hides the dirt the best, but I like white better, or even like a nice light gray would be cool. But, you know, no hate to the designer of Stuvie. It's very beautiful. And I got this pillow. I have so many pillows, it's actually a problem. I need to stop talking industrial. I thought this was cute because like I'm gonna go with the white theme probably, or like white neutrals. But then the back says goodnight. It's like good morning, good night. Switching around. And then I thought this was really cute. I don't know if you can see. It's like wallpaper that looks like white brick. So I thought thought that would be really pretty. I might just do like one wall because I don't know how much is in here. Oh gosh. So that was all that I got from OCM, and I'm so thankful. It was like Christmas opening all that up in the mail. I was like, ah! Really made my day better. I can't wait to put it all together. Honestly, like moving and decorating the dorms, that's like the best part of college. No, not actually, but I'd say it's definitely up there for me because I love all that stuff. I don't know how I fit this in. So that's everything I got from OCM. For my birthday, my aunt and my cousins got me this map. And basically you scratch off like where you been on it. You can see it's gold, and then I think you scratch it and it's like rainbow underneath. So I want to put that on the wall. I feel like that would be cool. And then there's another one that's just the United States of America, which is where I'm from. Even though, you know, I'm Australian. If you guys really hate the accent, let me know. Because I will, you know, put in an effort to stop doing it. Don't know why. It's just been in my head lately. I like actually started thinking in Australian. That's what I was thinking. Gold accent, white, little green. That's what I have in my mind. Don't know if I'll be able to execute it, but I also have, I don't know where it is. Hopefully it's like somewhere in my storage. The moon hanging things my friends got me last year for my birthday. I think it's from like Urban Outfitters, but they probably have it on Amazon or something. It looks like this. So that is another like gold thing that I'll put on my wall. Then I have, I'm not gonna take them out. Ow! Oh, I got a cramp. I have a bunch of pillows. Now I don't think I'm gonna use the pink ones in my room, but I can always put them like in the common room on the couch. I also have these pillows. I think this is Bed Bath & Beyond. Maybe both of these. That one's probably like Marshalls or something. Those ones will match pretty well with what I'm trying to go for. Sorry, it's like loud and crinkly. Then I have, sorry, it's crinkly. I've had this since freshman year. It's a laundry hamper basket thing. So it's like flat, but then you can pop it out for like when you actually want to use it. And I have this whiteboard that I usually put on the back of my door. Who knows? I have a yoga mat, because I'll probably be working out a lot in my room because we wear masks in the gym, which I might, you know, pass out from doing. I have this hamper that I like fling all my stuff in. I usually leave it in my closet. And I have, this is a clothes rack that I'm probably going to use this year. Last year I just had 2 closets, but this year I kind of, I don't know, I think the vibe of hanging some like white or like neutral color clothes would be cool. This is my trash bin that I've had since freshman year, I think. It's just gold, plain, nice. I think it's from the Container Store. Sorry, everything's like how it was in storage. I'm trying not to mess up any of it because I do have to move in like 2 weeks, and I am taking up half of this right tomorrow. I'm bringing it to Boston. I have 2 gray like fluffy blankets. I'll probably put one in the common room for everyone to use. Maybe use one in my room. I don't know, we'll see. I'm doing so much yapping. I hope I'm not boring you. My throat is getting dry from talking so much. Oh, I have my white comforter that I'm gonna use. I had it in my bed at home. And then one day I like laid on it with my pink bathing suit, and then it bled all over the comforter, so that was nice. But my mom, you know, she was crafty, so she managed to like cut it and DIY it into a twin XL for school without the pink mark on it. So that was really awesome. I can put in a picture here of it last year. It looked very nice. Let me give you a little quick life story. So my mom has been volunteering at the Bayville thrift shop since I was like, I don't even know how old I was. I couldn't even tell you that, man. I don't even know. Since I was a little child, my mom has been volunteering at the Bayville thrift shop, so I've always gone there. During quarantine, of course, it was closed, but people were still, you know, donating items, so my mom would go there every, like, few days just to keep, you know, bagging things, organizing, getting rid of stuff. So I was going there with her, kind of, you know, looking through stuff, and I've been compiling dorm items over the years from this past period of months I've been collecting. I've gathered some miscellaneous items. As I said, I'm trying to go for that green look, so I got this fake plant so I can't kill it. I also have this hanging thing, and it's also fake so I can't kill it. Don't know if I'll be able to hang it. I thought it's cute. I don't know if you can see it. Then I have this like marble frame, picture frame. I think we're gonna put it in the common room. And just like, there's all these letters, and we're just gonna write, I don't know, something funny or something quirky. Then I found this little canvas thing, which I thought was cute. Don't know where it's gonna go yet. It could go with like the green vibe in the room. I don't know. I've just been, you know, compiling a lot of items. Oh, and then I have this picture frame. There's my friend's pictures are in it right now. But it's like silver, so I thought that would be cute in the common room. I don't know. And then I have these two pillows. They're just like plain. This one says, enjoy the little things. And then this one's just like plain white. Don't know if I'll use them yet, but they're a possibility. Oh, and then I have this little macrame thing that I thought would look good in the room. I can't decide if I like hate it or I like it. This is also from the thrift store. I have two of these pillows. They're from the thrift store too. I'll probably put them in the common room. They're cute. I think we used them last year. I feel like that's it. Like, I have a bunch of apartment stuff, but I don't really think you guys care about like bowls and things. If you guys live on Long Island, you should check out Babel Thrift Shop. They have such cheap prices. My mom volunteers there. You can meet my mom, go up to her, scare her. You just really gotta like root through and then you find some really great items. I'm moving into school on August 20th, and then I'll do like a dorm room tour or something, or like apartment tour. Let me know if you guys want that. Lost my hat. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you were entertained. You can definitely expect a move-in video in August. I can't believe I talked for 30 minutes straight. Oh my goodness, that's a record. Usually I just like forget how to speak with this girl. I don't know what else to say other than hit up OCM. All their stuff is on the website. It's really cute. You could get the same stuff as me. We could twin. Hit up any thrift store, literally. Like, they're all, I love thrifting. It's the best ever. Good for the environment, good for the soul. You find some treasures. I've been thrifting since I was a young child, and I think like at least 50% of my wardrobe or like my items in general are from the thrift store. Subscribe if you are epic, and follow me on Instagram, and that's about it. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye.